Good day, sir. Today I'm gonna discuss what is IMO Intact Stability Code. Intact Stability Code is revised on July 1, 2010. Primary objectives. Number 1. Ensure ships have sufficient stability under all operating conditions. Number 2. Prevent accidents caused by loss of stability such as capsizing or excessive rolling. Number 3. Provide uniform international standard for intact stability. Number 4. Address modern ship design and operational challenges such as container ships and offshore vessels. Secondary objectives. Promote safe loading and unloading practices. Number 2. Ensure compliance with stability requirements during all phases of voyage. Here is the criteria of the Intact Stability Code 2008. First, GOM. First, kg equals total vertical of moment divided by total weight. Second, obtain the km in the hydrostatic table. Third, subtract the kg to km equals gm solid. Fourth, GMS minus GGO, where GGO equals total free surface moments divided by total weight. The requirements of Intact Stability Code is for cargo ships, container, bulk carrier, tanker, passenger is not less than 0.15 meters. For grain carrier, not less than 0.30 meter as per IGC resolution MSC 2354. Here is the table of the loading plan, sir. First, kg, total vertical moments divided by total weight. So you add the vertical moments, all the numbers, then you add the weight. Here's the answer, 7.91 meters. This is divide, and meter is the unit that use 7.91 meter. Number 2 is GM solid equals km minus kg. So km in kg, you add the total number of kg, then km. 800 meters and 7.91 meters equals 0.9 meters. Third is to find GGO equals 3.08 or 86 mt meters and divided by 24.670 equals 0.13 meters. And the last is GOM. GOM divided minus GGO equals GOM 0.09 meters and 0.13 meters equals negative 0.04 meters. This is the calculation of this here is unstable, not less than 0.15 meters. That's the calculation, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.